In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see connected devices in ExpressVPN. If you've run into a connection limit warning, or you simply want to make sure only your own devices are using your account. There are a few safe ways to check. One important thing to understand first is that ExpressVPN does not provide a live Netflix-style list of active sessions in the standard account dashboard. That's because its privacy-focused setup does not track real-time connection histories in that way. However, you can still review your activated devices through the account portal. And if you use ExpressVPN on a router, you can see live connected devices there. Let's start with the ExpressVPN portal. Open your browser and go to the official ExpressVPN sign-in page. Log in with your account credentials, and if you're asked for a 6-digit verification code, complete the multi-factor authentication step. Once you're inside the ExpressVPN Plus dashboard, find the main ExpressVPN section. There you'll see a line that tells you how many devices ExpressVPN has been installed on. This is useful because it gives you a quick inventory of authorized hardware tied to your account. To view more details, click the arrow next to that device counter. This opens the expanded device area, where you can review installation-related information and available setups for different operating systems. If you use ExpressVPN directly on a supported router, you can get a much more live view of what's happening on your network. Connect your phone or computer to your home Wi-Fi, then open a browser and go to the ExpressVPN router address. Sign in with your router admin password. Once the router dashboard loads, you'll see a live visual layout of devices currently connected through your network. This can include phones, laptops, smart TVs, and even smart home devices. You can then look through your device groups, such as home, streaming, or guests. Each device card shows its label and VPN location. If needed, you can drag a device into another group to change its VPN location, or remove it from encryption by moving it appropriately within your setup. You can also do a quick local check from the ExpressVPN app on the device you're currently using. Open the app, go into the menu, then into Options or Settings. On desktop, you can also open Help and then Diagnostic Logs to confirm local connection activity. And if another device in your home is causing the limit warning, open ExpressVPN on that device and press the main power button once to disconnect it and free up a connection slot. Finally, if the device count doesn't match your actual hardware, go back to the ExpressVPN sign-in page, open account, choose Change Password.